Hey there friends, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to ask Claude to format its outputs. So, asking it to format its output is quite simple, and really it's as simple as asking it to follow a specific document style or format that you tell it to. And I find that Claude is really flexible in this regard compared to other AI agents, which I really like about it. So I'll give you an example. So for example, list the pros and cons of remote work. Format the output in a markdown table in an HTML document. So now I'm going to hit enter. I specified the format I want to see, and it's going to use its specific skills to design a response appropriately. As you can see, reading front-end design skill, and now creating a styled HTML document. So we're going to give it a few minutes to work on its response, but it shouldn't take too long, and you can monitor its progress in real time right here, which is really cool. So if you need a different document format, for example, you want a Microsoft Word document or a PDF, Claude can easily do so in real time. So here we go. It's very neat and very tidy, and is exactly what I wanted to see. But for example, we can ask it to convert this file. Can you convert the file to a PDF ready for print? Now it's going to use a different set of skills. It's going to read this document and convert it to a PDF. There we go. Print ready PDF. Create a print optimized HTML with embedded fallback fonts. No external requests. Should be done within a minute or two now. And here's our finished file. Very neat, very clean, and it's basically just a restructured version of what we had earlier. So if you need any file that the Claude generates, you can do so by clicking the download button here at the top right, or here within your chat history, there's a big download button for your use. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.